Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to unboxing my brand new OPPO A95. And so, without further ado, let's get started. And so, this is the box of OPPO A95. Let's take a look at the box. It gives of RAM, 128GB of storage. Sorry, my camera is not so clear because I am using it ultra wide. So just only 8 megapixel for the ultra wide camera. Yeah. A95, OPPO, some QR code, empty. So this is the outfit for the box. As you can see, just push. Yeah. Let's put it away. This OPPO, empty, white color. So let's unbox it. Yeah. The box, and this is the phone. Alright, so here's the phone. Wow. Brand new OPPO A95. This is black color. Made for the battery case back. So let's turn on the phone. Put it here. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's check out what's inside of this small box. OPPO user manual book and a case. Also a SIM pin will be here. Manual book. What's inside here? We have a 33 watt of fast charging adapter, very heavy. And last but not least is a Type-C cable, USB to Type-C. It's not a Type-C to Type-C. This is a normal USB to Type-C, and of course it's a original. Very nice. And so this is the phone. Very nice. The phone already been set up just now. Lock screen and home screen. This is based on ColorOS 11.1 and Android 11. Very nice. So this is my brand new OPPO A95. I am really excited for this brand new phone. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new OPPO A95 unboxing in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.